Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another glam DIY project. I'm taking a KMART Australia mirror and giving it a floral touch. I hope you enjoy. I picked up this round mirror from KMART. I knew it would be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind, and at $30 it was perfect. Now guys, I've always wanted to do my very own flower mirror. So I picked up some hot glue sticks from my dollar store, and then I shopped my own home for all my dollar store flowers. There's a combination here guys of dollar store and KMART flowers, but they were all completely inexpensive. Starting from the bottom, I took my hot glue gun and I hot glued the first rows to the bottom. Now what I'm doing here is I just went round with each of the flowers and hot glued them to the actual mirror, not the rim of the mirror. Now I had 4 of these larger pink flowers, and what I'm going to do here is just like a clock. I added one at the top and the bottom and one on each side. I then continued to add the smaller flowers around, trying to keep with the same theme. I continued to add the flowers until I was completely happy with the result. Once it was all complete, I then cleaned the mirror for any fingerprints.
To what you believe in, what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying.
Now what I want to do is I want to do a designer look in the middle of the mirror. So off camera I took some of my craft foam and I took a template of the Chanel logo and I cut that out and hot glued it to the center. Once it was all secure and in place, it was now time for the absolute fun part, styling my beautiful flower mirror. Guys, I've always wanted to do my very own flower mirror, and whilst looking for some other pieces of decor in my storage shed, I came across my beautiful KMART mirror, and I knew by shopping my own home for my favourite flowers, I could bring this to life.
Is that so hard to see? Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know our fate. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I love to bring simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home glam. And this simple DIY flower mirror was so much fun to create, and anyone could definitely have a go at.
But if I could, I would save you, and you'll still wonder.
I love to repurpose items and absolutely love to shop my own home. I love taking an item that I may not be using anymore and giving it a new lease of life.
Is standing right here.
So take a look around, guys. You may have an old mirror in storage that you could give a new lease of life. I love how this turned out, and I love how I styled it with my DIY Chanel inspired flower boxes. I'll leave a link to that video for you down below.
That's all you need. Think we need each other.
Don't forget, guys, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, and I would love for you to follow me along on my journey over there as well.
You still want
I post daily pictures of my glam home. I love decorating, guys, and I love sharing inspirational ideas with you through Instagram as well as YouTube. Be sure to tag me in any photo, guys, if you choose to recreate any of my DIYs. It truly makes my heart so happy when I see somebody recreate something that I designed. Now, guys, I know I'll get a ton of questions about this adorable little mini fireplace. I picked this up from a dollar store about 2 Christmases ago. It came out at Christmas time and it was actually green and red, and I spray painted it blush candy pink. Now, for the past 2 years, guys, I've been trying so hard to find these again, and unfortunately I just can't find them. I've tried every possible online source, as well as going back to the dollar store where I originally got it from. But as soon as I find one, guys, you will definitely be the first to know, because I know how much you all love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own DIY floral mirror. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
Makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
we got this day.